Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to compress files using PeaZip on Windows. First, open PeaZip on your computer. When PeaZip opens, look at the top of the window. Here, you can see the Add button. Click the Add button to open the archive window. This is where you can prepare files for compression. In this window, you may see an option called Archive Original Path. This option is related to how the original file path is handled inside the archive. PeaZip allows you to compress files and folders into an archive, which can make them easier to store, organize, and share. When you are ready to compress your files, select the files or folders you want to include, then choose the archive format you want to use. For a common compressed archive, zip is a simple and widely supported choice. After selecting the files in the required format, click OK to start the compression process. PeaZip will process the selected files and create the compressed archive. The time required depends on the number and size of the files. Once the process is complete, you can find the compressed archive in the selected location. That's how you can compress files with PeaZip. The process is simple. Open PeaZip, click Add, select your files, choose an archive format, and start the compression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more easy Windows tutorials.